One of the features of the Repeater X is the cleaning facility. You basically plug it into a hose pipe. If you've got a warm outlet hose pipe, then you're laughing. You don't need to use the bucket like we've just done. Or if you've just got a cold water, ideal really, because you can just get the remaining mix out. If Nick, you just want to plug that in now. Okay, passenger door, it's fine. Yeah, so basically we're plugged in, turn the tap on, you just fill the hopper up. Like I said, if it's warm water it's even easier. Then we can just get a cloth in and just rinse the remaining ice cream off. Just drain that through. Again, we've got no pressure there because obviously we took the pump off. Just flipped on to wash every now and then, just push it through.